Hello students, hope you're great. At the outset, I'd like to welcome all students of the Faculty of Commerce, English Department first year, and wish you all success and best forever. In this lecture, we will talk about the science of financial account, and also what is the benefit of this science. I just want to talk about the scientific subject so that you can understand it well. Therefore, financial account is not considered difficult, but it needs focus and continuous training so that you will find it easy. Also, don't worry about it because over time you will understand, but you must take into account that the more effort you make, so that the more easy and simple you will find. Let's not talk long about this introduction and talk about the concept of accounting. Okay? So, look guys, anything in this universe is a system, okay? Anything is a system. I'm not talking about a specific thing, but I'm talking about general. General, anything in this universe is a system. So, system, and the system has three kind of things, like inputs, process, and output or outputs. Okay, so hence if you want to express how any system in this universe works, you must understand well what is the inputs of the system, also what is the process through which we can transform these inputs into outputs. You have to understand this well. So if you want to transform inputs to outputs, you have to understand how this process works. So, because it's simply any science in the whose important goal to make decisions about something, and therefore, if we gonna talk about accounting, so, accounting is known as the language of business because it communicates financial and economics facts about the business to all sorts of interested parties. You have two parts. The first one is internal, the second one external. Okay? So, financial and economic facts about the business to all sorts of interested parties. There is two kinds of interested parties. The first one is internal, the second one is external. Okay? External means people not employed by the company. External users include investors, creditors, banks, something like this. So, financial account serves the needs of external users, also internal users, by providing them with understandable, correct financial statements. There are three financial statements. Also, financial statements. Financial statements. Three kind. The income. The income, also balance sheet and statements of cash flows. Okay, so if we're gonna account, which is the one of the branches of commerce, is the language of business, as we told you before. It records the business transaction taking places during the account period and communicate the results of the transaction to various parties. Like creditors are banker, like we said before, the present creditor want to know the solvency of business, and potential investors are keen to know the earning potential of business. In the view of volatility of account statements to various interested parties, it's necessary to recognize the urgency of scientific approach to the recording of business transaction and communicating the results of various parties. Right? So it's very simple and very simple scientific, but you have to think more about the system, like we told before a while ago. Anything in this world is a system. If you understand how this system works, you're gonna everything. You will know everything about the system, like financial accounts or economics or business administration, any system in this universe. So this is a simple way to think about many organizations and private accounting unions have been interested in the following up on the development of financial account, something like this. Also, account is so easy. Account is the most important of these factors are educational and technical factors. They are resulting from technical and scientific progress in all societies, right? Also, social factors, there are a set of social relationship and it's affected in the accounting system provided in societies. Also, financial account is a great importance of all kinds because it's achieving many benefits, the most important of which are assistant in measuring the possibility of providing jobs for individuals and evaluating the wages offered to them. For example, providing assistance to government like taxes, various companies and other financial matters. You have many things that we can explain. Also, account generally depends on the presence of financial statement. Like we told, we have three statements, like the income and cash flows and balance sheet. So it's easy subject to know, but you have to focus and training more and more, and never feel worried about this subject. And you said it's hard. I'm not interested in this financial account material, but you have to understand many things in this material, like equations, like training of questions, different ways. In the end, I'd like to say it's a very simple material. In the next few days, we will explain more lectures about the subject. And remember something: if you wanna do something great, you have to think and work hard. If you work hard for anything, if you work hard all the time, you will get everything so easy. That's it, and wish you all the best in your life. Also, I hope you in a great place. I hope you see in a great place, and thank you very much.